In this integration, we have to find the value of 1 plus x to the whole square, and that is divided with x into 1 plus x square. So I will expand the numerator, that is equal to 1 plus x square plus 2x, and I will write the denominator as x plus 1 plus x square dx. So you will write 1 plus x square upon x into 1 plus x square dx plus integration of 2x upon x into 1 plus x square dx. X and x will get cancelled. 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square will get cancelled. You will write the integration of 1 by x into dx plus integration of 2 by 1 plus x square dx. So integration of 1 by x, that is equal to log of x. Integration of 2 by 1 plus x square, so you will write 2 into tan inverse of x plus of c. So this is the answer that you will get.